Hello and welcome everyone. এই ভিডিওটোত আমি 2013 ৰ যিখিনি ইণ্ডিয়ান পলিটিৰ কুৱেশ্যন আছে আমি এইখিনি ডিসকাস কৰিম. So let's see. So the first question is, which of the following is not included in the state list of the Constitution of India? Options are Criminal Procedure Code, Law and Order, Police or Prison. So the correct answer will be Criminal Procedure Code. Then the Rajya Sabha has the exclusive jurisdiction in creation and abolition of new states, approving a proclamation of emergency, the election of the president, authorizing parliament to legislate on a subject in the state list. So the correct option will be D, authorizing the parliament to legislate on a subject in the state list. Then, which one of the following is not a part of the directive principles of state policy? Right against exploitation, right to work, right to education, right to public assistance in case of unemployment. So the correct option will be right against exploitation. Then the sixth schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with administration of areas having majority of OBC or MOBC population. Then state reorganization based on language, the provision for administration of tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura or Mizoram, welfare of the ST-SC population. So the correct option will be C, the provision for administration of tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Then, which one of the following words was not originally included in the preamble to the Constitution of India? Options are sovereign, socialist, secular or republic. So correct option will be socialist and secular. So these two words have been included in the preamble by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. Then, the President of India does not deny his consent to money bill because it is urgent in nature, it is initiated by the Finance Minister, it is initiated by the Finance Minister on the recommendation of the President, or it is initiated in the Lok Sabha. So the correct option will be C, it is initiated by the Finance Minister on the recommendation of the President. Then, when did Constituent Assembly of India have its first meeting? Options are December 9, 1946, July 18, 1947, August 14, 1947 or August 15, 1947. So the correct option will be December 9, 1946. Then, fundamental duties were appended to the Constitution of India by the 42nd Amendment on the recommendation of Swaran Singh Committee, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Committee, K.C. Pant Committee or C.D. Deshmukh Committee. So the correct option will be Swaran Singh Committee. Then, Ashok Mehta Committee stated that the Jilla Parishad should be made responsible for planning at the district level. In all states, there shall be a Gram Sabha. Periodic elections are to be held, or 1/3 of the total seats to be reserved for women. So the correct option will be the Jilla Parishad should be made responsible for planning at the district level. Then, the division of power between center and states is contained in the Constitution of India in the 3rd schedule, 5th schedule, 7th schedule or 8th schedule. So the correct option will be C, 7th schedule. Then, which one of the following is the legal document created in 1947 that allowed the princely states to join either India or Pakistan? Options are the Act of Accession 1947, Instrument of Accession, Legal Document on Accession or none of the above. So the correct option will be B, Instrument of Accession. Then, during national emergency, the President can suspend the judicial enforcement of the fundamental rights except the two articles 1516, 1819, 20, 21 or 32, 33. So the correct option will be 20 and 21. Article 20 deals with protection against conviction and 21 deals with right to life and personal liberty. Then, arrange the following President of India in the chronological sequence: Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma, Dr. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy or Gyani Jail Singh. So these are the options. So the correct chronology will be Dr. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, Gyani Jail Singh and then Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. So option A is the correct sequence. Then, which of the following is not a money bill? Budget appropriation bill, bill seeking vote on account, or finance bill? So the correct option will be budget. Then, the term secular was added to the preamble of the Constitution of India by the 40th Amendment, 41st Amendment, 42nd Amendment, or 43rd Amendment. So the correct option will be 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. Then, which article of the Indian Constitution has empowered the Parliament to regulate citizenship matters? Options are Article 5, 6, 8, or 11. So the correct option will be Article 11. Then, decentralized planning on the basis of Panchayati Raj institution was recommended by Ashok Mehta, Gargil Committee, Mahalnavis Committee, or Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. So the correct option will be Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. And the last one is the Constituent Assembly was set up according to the proposal of Mountbatten Plan, Wavell Plan, Cripps Mission Plan, or Cabinet Plan. So the correct option will be Cabinet Plan. So at this we come to the end of this video. Next video to আমি 2011 question khini discuss korim Indian polity. So till then, goodbye. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe to our channel to get more updates on Indian polity. Thank you.